Altair HyperWorks provides extensive functionality to prepare vehicles for analysis of crash and safety load cases. The first scene shows the positioning of the driver and passenger seats to the desired position. With the Mechanism tool, a user can model a kinematic system of the seat, interactively manipulate it, and define different seat positions for multiple load cases. Each position can be saved and easily retrieved at any time. Once the seat is in position, the Dummy Positioner tool facilitates the positioning of the dummy in the vehicle environment. Here as well, multiple positions of the dummy can be saved and retrieved at any time for different load cases. It considers the stop angles of the dummy joints and contact with surrounding vehicle components. After positioning the seat and dummy, the removal of intersections inside the dummy and between the dummy and seat are managed by the Seat Deformer and Dummy Deformer tools. The Seat Deformer and Dummy Deformer tools enable simulation of the real deformation of the seat and the dummy using a desired explicit solver. To finalize the occupant safety setup, the seatbelt tool is used to model the complete seatbelt by wrapping the belt around the dummy and adapting the belt path and shape in real time. Slip rings, retractors or pretensioners, as well as their properties and interactions, are created automatically. The load case setup is completed with the positioning of the barrier around the vehicle. The Barrier Positioner tool simplifies this procedure, providing a dedicated workflow leading to the automatic position of the barrier with regards to the actual selected crash regulation. Corresponding solver transformations are created automatically in this workflow. The Pedestrian Impact tool supports the automated marking and positioning of impactors. All globally relevant pedestrian market regulations are captured in the tool. Marking and positioning parameters are customizable. The tool provides the ability to interactively validate marked entities such as construction lines, impact points, and tape entities covering the vehicle's front openings. This ensures accuracy in prediction and repeatability of an organization's pedestrian safety simulation. Any impactor position can be previewed and exported to an error-free solver deck.